What's up guys, welcome back guys. New day, new vlog here in the village guys, Nyabohansi village. Yeah, from there we have a very nice hospital here guys. If you don't know my story, I used to work here as an NHIF personnel or personnel NHIF. So we have a church here, and the music, I don't know if they have copyright, but yeah, it's a church here. So from the hospital, the church, and we are passing behind the CBD. So the CBD is over there, but we are passing behind the CBD. So the streets of Nyabohansi guys. Thank you so much guys for always supporting me, for always being there for me, and yeah, I really appreciate you guys. Are really amazing. You guys are really amazing guys, and God bless you abundantly. So today I have my friend here, Kamanja. How are you?
Hello guys. I'm good.
Come
Maja.
this side, yes.
I'm good, Maja. Hello big family. This is your boy Kamanja _ Kenya, and actually this is Nyabohansi. This is where we belong, and this is where we are made.
Yeah, this is where we were raised, born and raised here. Yeah, apart from him, he was you are not born here, eh?
I was not born here.
Yeah,
I
but
was made here.
you were made here.
Yes.
Yeah, exactly guys.
Yeah.
How do you explain like you are made here in
Made
Nyabohansi?
here. I came here young, and anything that I do here, and actually I do it because I found myself here. That's why I say I'm made here.
Yes.
Because this is where I have my family.
Yes.
This is where I do all my things from.
Yeah.
That is why I say I am made here in Nyabohansi.
So how long have you been in Nyabohansi, and how do you know Nyabohansi?
20 plus years.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is 20 years exactly. Yeah.
20 years.
Yeah, it's 2004. It is 20 years exactly. But we used to come here when I was very young. Yeah, but
Very young.
very young. I used to hear about Nyabohansi. Dad,
Yeah.
I've gone to Nyabohansi. Mom, I've gone to Nyabohansi. Not even Nyabohansi, Kuria.
Yes.
They used to call Kuria.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I touched at this place 2004, and this is my 20th year actually in this place.
Wow. Yeah.
If it is not, yeah, 20th year. But
And,
since 2000, I used to hear about this place.
And how do you see, like, what have you experienced in Nyabohansi since you have 20 years? That is too long.
Hey,
Not
it's a
even
lot.
too long. It's
You
a
see,
long time.
It's a lot.
So what have you seen in Nyabohansi, and what did you realize? Because I really remember 20 years down the line, we didn't have maybe YouTube. We didn't have people doing YouTube, and people who are really, I can say right now, people are focused.
People are really focused doing this and that every day and then. And for my 20 years here, it has really opened up my opportunities actually. This is a door for opportunities, and that's why I say Nyabohansi people, we are actually
Hi.
made of.
Kopua?
Hey,
Hi.
get you.
Yeah.
Nakuona? That's why I say actually we are made of Nyabohansi, because it really opened a lot of doors.
Yeah.
Yeah, to me actually.
Wow.
Because this is where
So nice. So guys, if you are talking about Nyabohansi negatively, just hear the story of him. He has been here for 20 years. 20 years, imagine, and they can say that like Nyabohansi has opened doors for him.
Yeah, I say it has opened the doors for me because first after my school I came here. My employment I got here. That is my employment I got here. I married from the same place.
Yeah.
So my kids are raised here, and they are still being raised here.
Yeah. And guys, he's a teacher. Before we
Yes.
continue, he's a teacher by professional.
Yeah.
Professional or profession.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's a teacher, and a very good teacher. He has been here, and also a coach, guys. If you don't know, He's a very good coach.
Maja, you missed something yesterday actually.
Yeah, actually.
And I've told you I'm going to upload those videos actually.
Yeah,
I'm
guys, I was
them.
to go there to the field, but the rain caught up with me, so I didn't make it. But we will do some more things, some more. Of course,
in fact,
you always
we
go
had
to-
our day. We had our day.
Yeah.
I had so many girls, so many boys, and we were doing this and that. Actually, giving them gifts.
Yeah.
Girls, we were giving them pads, sanitary towels,
Yeah.
and also talking to them. It was a very short time, but very, very enjoyable.
And informative and also educative
Yeah, it was informative and educative.
to some young girls.
Young
You know,
girls,
guys.
actually.
Yeah, you know, guys. Sorry to cut you short. You know, guys. Right now we have circumcision in our village,
Yeah.
and we have. What do you think about girls being circumcised? What do you think about that? Because also back in the days we used to circumcise ladies in our village, but right now, no. If you are caught, it's a court case.
It's a court case.
Yeah.
Court case.
What do you think about that right now?
Okay.
What do you advise about that?
Every community has got its own traditions, but we have traditions we are supposed to move on with them, and we have traditions, actually some practices that we are supposed to drop them, because maybe the whole world is against such a kind of practices. And for female circumcision, I don't like calling it circumcision because it is a mutilation. That's why we call them female genital mutilation.
Yeah.
Something that used to be practiced, it was there, but actually in this place of ours, because most guys have realized it is not good. Actually, that is demeaning the female gender. Then it is not something I'm advocating for. Something actually I say no to it. And that was one of our main topic yesterday with my young girls. Yeah, it's something that we are demeaning and something that we are saying no to FGM. That is female genital mutilation.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah. So guys, here that we are right now, it's this is
the fence of the first school. In fact, I started teaching.
Yes.
Moi girls Nyabohansi.
Yeah. So guys, if you went to this school, Moi Nyabohanse girls, I know some of you, you were taught by him.
Most, yeah, Moi 2010, 2011.
I think we have YouTubers that you taught, but we don't want to display that. But I believe you are out there, and yeah, it's very good. He's a very good teacher here. This is now the national school.
This is our national school.
Yeah.
National school, a very big category in our place here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a national school. In Korea, we only have
One national school.
two or one.
One national school.
One.
The only one.
The only one
Girls Nyabohansi.
in Korea.
Nyabohansi.
In Nyabohanse.
Nyabohansi.
Guys, just see that. And we have some people who are talking bad about Nyabohanse, but we are really trying to change the narrative of our village, like trying to educate and also bring people together, and also like you know.
Okay, Maja. There is something that sometimes I keep on wondering. Why should you are born here, yes, you are born here, you raised here, or you came here, lived here, you made here like I'm made here. Why should you just wake up one day and start talking ill or talking bad of Nyabohanse?
Exactly.
What this is a place, eh? You see, in a place, so many people are living in such a place.
Yeah.
So we may differ in terms of opinions. We may differ in terms of even proposals and suggestions. But actually, at the end of the day, we are one. So we are not supposed to be camping here and there saying that you see Nyabohanse is bad just because of one person, just because of two guys.
Two guys.
No,
yeah,
this is our
exactly.
place. Let us embrace it. We are very proud living here. We are very proud of everything that is happening here. But the only thing
See
that
what is happening here. People are building. Yeah. People
can
have. Yeah.
see.
Yeah. Exactly. So, guys, sorry. Ala. Niko hapa kwa gate. Aye. Oh, sorry guys. A friend was calling.
That's
So
what I was
yeah.
telling you.
So you were saying?
Let guys look at this place.
Look at this place.
Yes,
Very
a place
beautiful.
to be.
A place to
Very
be.
beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I'm telling you that for those guys who are talking bad of Nyabohanse, you see, most of these guys who are talking bad of Nyabohanse, we have them in the village and we have them far away from the village.
Yeah, exactly.
Actually,
So
come down to the village, come
yes,
on the ground.
Yeah, come on the ground and see.
This is a place to be.
Exactly.
And
This
we
is like
actually
an
want to
estate.
Yeah, we
See,
actually
guys,
want to guard this place.
Yes.
The image of Nyabohanse, we want to remain, let it remain very positive.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very positive.
Yeah, that is what,
And,
that is our fight.
So
now.
you're working towards making Nyabohanse remaining positive.
Positive, always.
Exactly.
That is
Yeah.
us. That is our spirit.
Positivity is our spirit, guys.
Yeah.
And also we want to say congratulations to our brother Marwa. He
Yeah.
brought us
You see, we are still in celebration. We are still in celebration.
yes,
You
exactly. Yes.
see, we celebrated the coming of Maisha.
Yeah.
That is on 11th of this month.
11.
Yeah, it's 11/11.
Yeah.
And then we saw him, Ayamaro, in his life celebrating his own birthday.
Yeah.
You see, back here at the village, we also celebrate that. When you are
Exactly.
celebrating,
Happy
then,
birthday, brother. Happy belated
it is happy belated
birthday.
birthday. And I say, like we used to be told those days,
Yeah.
Marwa, happy birthday.
Mm.
May you live to blow 1,001 candles.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. May you live to blow
1,001
1,001 candles.
Yeah.
So guys, now I want to respect Marwa because despite all the shenanigans
Yeah.
or all the things that people talk about Marwa, I really believe Marwa is a very great person and a person of like he takes people to heart. Huh?
Yeah. That is why sometimes he was saying back that he is very blind. He was very blind. He never knew who real friends were.
Yeah.
And we do appreciate him. We just don't appreciate him because maybe you people might be thinking that he's bringing us goodies.
Yeah.
We are talking good of him because maybe we are benefiting in this one way or the other. No.
Yeah.
Actually, this is what we learned from him. When you are helped, learn to say thank you.
Exactly. Learn to say
Gratitude.
thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Gratitude, and we say it's a very big gratitude to our brother Yamaro. That is it, and that is our core.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Kamanja_KE. Yeah, and thank you so much for being there, for like being positive. They are being positive, you know. It's
That is what okay. I have said I will always remain
positive. Exactly. Thank you so much. And we are here, positive guys. Keep on watching. See how beautiful Nyabohanse is. See a place like this is so nice, so beautiful. Huh? Guys.
Actually, Maja, we are challenging those guys. We are really challenging those guys who are talking bad of Nyabohanse.
Yeah.
And I said sometimes people may talk bad of Maja, bad of Kamanja, but not directly.
Yeah.
We may talk to people surrounding that guy. When you talk bad of maybe Ayamaro, in fact you are talking bad of
Nyabohanse, exactly.
Yeah, you are talking bad of yourself.
Yeah.
Yourself.
So you are talking about you.
You are exposing yourself.
And the other thing, look at yourself before you talk bad about another person. You know.
We say when in a arm, you see, when I point a finger at you, the 4 fingers are still pointing back at me. Yeah, I do this. The rest are
pointing at you. So
which means I'm the problem.
you are the problem. Not us being the problem.
Yeah.
So we are not pointing any fingers to anyone.
Yeah.
We are just having a conversation that is healthy and at least can uplift and get to encourage some maybe YouTubers who are coming up to be very positive and just do their own work. You can see me. I used to get a lot of views, but even right now, if I get 100, I'm proud of it. You know.
There is one thing, man.
Be proud of what you have. Yeah.
Yes. There is one thing I always tell guys. be yourself.
Yeah, exactly.
Mind your own business.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you've opened up a shop, just mind your business of selling.
Yes.
Yes, if you've started parroting, just mind that business, just a parrot.
Yeah.
If that parroting will pay you back.
Back.
Yeah,
But
we'll
don't
pay you
parrot lies. I see
Yeah.
that place.
Look at guys, eh?
Guys, look at that place.
This is what we
Very
dream
nice.
of. Eh?
Yes.
In fact,
People
in the
dreaming
next
big.
4 to 5 years, this place here, it's our own paradise.
Imagine. This
Yeah.
is like an estate.
Mm.
Wow.
So-
Look where we are coming from.
so one person.
Eh.
Actually, sometimes you see people statements make you laugh.
Yeah.
Saying that, oh, you guys from I don't know where. We are made of here. We don't have dreams of coming to your place. Your place. What is a passport for?
Yeah. So why do you talk about it and you don't want to come here? Don't just come. You know, we just live and we will come there. As for us, we will come there. It's my dream also to travel to countries. For me, I will come. I will travel and go.
What we just want is to exchange
Yeah,
experiences from one place to another.
exactly.
Yes, when I want to move out from Nyabohanse to a different place, like I want to go to a different village, I want to see how things are done there and how things are done at my home. So I copy the best and I leave the worst.
Hey, you copy paste or you copy the best and
No, you don't copy paste.
you don't
Yeah, you
copy
just
paste.
copy
Exactly.
the best and leave the worst.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
Mm.
And that is what guys we are trying to do. We copy the best. If you have to copy,
Yeah,
copy
if
the
you have
best.
to copy.
Yeah, copy the best and leave the rest. So guys, here is where I was I think 1 year ago, 1 year plus. This is where we were, me and my dad. The video is there. This is where we were purchasing this small land here, guys. As you can see.
Maja, you say this is your land, huh?
Yeah. From this place, you know, the last time we came here, it was very dark, so we were not able to purchase, to do a video, not purchase. So the land reaches here, Kamanja. Here, you know, you can be a witness when maybe I'm not there. So it reaches
Who
here.
told you?
So it reaches here to the
This is the
trees,
boundary.
the boundary.
Actually.
Yeah.
And I've been always telling people that us here, we don't have those putting some pillars as boundaries.
Yeah.
We use live fences as boundaries.
Yeah.
Like I was telling people, we use the sisal plants.
Sisal, yeah.
that is
Yeah,
the most
we can
common.
go there and
Yes,
show
that-
you
this is
guys.
the most,
Yeah,
the
let's
most
pass here.
common. Eh?
Yes.
Yeah, it's the most common sign of a boundary. When
Yeah.
you find that sisal plant this way,
Yes.
you must know
Now
that
the boundary is
yeah,
here.
there is a boundary between one piece of land and the other.
yeah.
This is what we use. But in other places, we really don't know what they use. But I know they are modern and they use more sophisticated or modern ways to
The big
show.
cones.
Yeah, the big cones.
But
and
for us
everything.
here, we just use the
This
sisal,
sisal plant.
and you know, you can also use your eyes. Like, here is where my land is.
We don't need to argue so much. And
Here is where my land is.
This is my land. I
So-
bought it. People saw it.
Yeah. So guys, I think you may be wondering if these maize are for me, or rather for Maja underscore KE, or rather for village grandpa or village grandma. This we just give my parents, I can say village grandma's friend,
You gifted somebody.
not gifted. We just lended or
you just you
Say-
lent
Yeah, you
to
lent, but-
one friend.
yeah, but he doesn't pay. He just
Now
said-
that is why I'm saying you just gifted.
Yeah.
You told someone that place is lying unproductive.
Yeah.
Just go do something that can actually help you at the
Exactly.
end of the day. And
Exactly.
that is what actually.
So,
and that's
we-
a good art.
Yeah, and there is the guy who sold the land for me. So we just said he's a friend by there. I will show you. He just lives nearby here.
Lesson. Learn to pay back.
Learn to pay back. So hey guys, lesson, learn to pay back.
Yeah.
So he has planted maize here. Yeah, and that is courtesy of my mother, that is village grandma. We talked and I told her, like, because we don't have like the resources or
For now,
yeah, for now.
it's not like you don't have resources for now, but for now you haven't be ready to develop this place.
Exactly.
And you cannot just leave it there undeveloped.
Yeah.
People don't do any practices on that piece of shamba.
Yeah.
And it is a good calling, because the person who gave it out is the person who was given permission just to continue using it. And that is one way I've said, until further notice, when is told, now we want to build something.
Yeah.
And I think when you'll be building, you'll be also a handman.
Exactly.
Such a thing.
Yeah, exactly. That is how we help the community. And you can see also from here, guys, we tell you Nyabohanse is blessed. This house is so beautiful. See the windows.
This son will be your neighbor.
My neighbor. But here I don't want to build my dream house. I just want to maybe put some Airbnbs or rental house. We call them rental house in the villages.
Yeah, rental houses.
Yeah, exactly. So I think this is...
You're thinking the business way, yeah?
Yeah, business way.
Yeah, business way. You want to make some profit out of this land.
Yeah.
And that is good. And I'm seeing.
Stones. We will bust stones and get some
rocks.
Some ballast or whatever. Yeah, we have
to make ballast. In fact, you don't need to buy.
Yeah, exactly. You see, we have stones.
Guys, here there is a source of employment. You want to just how do you call it? Peel off.
Yes.
High heat them, and then you peel off them to become ballast. They are here. This is good. And actually, this one characteristic of our village.
Yeah, we have a lot of stones.
Yeah, something that makes Nyabohanse to look like a
very
tourist,
unique. Yeah,
a tourist attraction. Very unique.
I think
we have so many these granitic stones around.
Yeah, and I think someday we should visit a place. I think
we have
not far away from
it's not far away.
Yeah, we have
but it has
very big
one of the
stone.
scenic. It's called a very scenic atmosphere.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I think this is the second time. The first time we came, it was dark.
It was very dark, I remember.
Yeah, this is the second time we are visiting here. And guys, go watch the video which we were here purchasing the land, me, my dad, and yeah. Yes, and this is it, guys. Yeah, it has been long since I came here because I don't really want to show more about this land because I have so big plans for this land. That is because I'm not going to build there my future.
You've told you, you are not going to get happy with your dream house. I don't know thing. And one thing I want to tell you, in Swahili we say simba mwenda pole ndio mula nyama. Simba mwenda pole
ndio mula nyama.
Ndio mula nyama. And actually
help me with the camera here.
Yes. We always say that simba mwenda pole ndiye mula nyama. Like you take your things very slowly.
Yeah.
Plan well, so that at the end, when those benefits come, when you start reaping those fruits, you just sit and relax. Nobody disturbs you, and that's why maybe Maja is not is not in a hurry.
Yeah, I'm not in a hurry.
He's not
By the way, you know, I just forgot about this land. You know, I just put my mind like, I know I have a land here, but I don't talk about it so much because I don't have the resources to. Yeah. So whenever I will start like the project, you guys will be seeing it like, wow, every day you guys will be seeing it. So we have that plans, and they are there to stay.
And actually that is actually the direction we guys always dream of.
Yeah, and I carried this along, and it's just I can say, what do you call it?
It's a landmark in your life.
A landmark. I remember Kenyada. If I know you're watching my videos, you can remember this. I think the third time I went to Uganda, we went with Kenyada. Yeah. So she knows this bag. Yes, guys. A story.
That is a story.
Yeah.
It was not meant for the other day. It was just meant for you today. And actually, it's a story that we wish sticks into your minds and actually pushes you to watch Maja_KE on a daily basis. Whenever and whatever he posts.
Yeah.
And guys, we've said, just keep watching the positive vibes.
Exactly.
Yeah, that is us.
And support and watch the video till the end, guys. So let me help you again. So
Guys, you know I'm not used to GoPros.
I saw you were stuck like this.
Yes, I'm not used to them. Okay, I'm used to my phone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So exactly, guys. So today we just came up here to have a walk, and also invited to one of our positive guys or YouTubers or vloggers here in our village. So we are going to
Hey, Maja, you're reminding me of one thing I saw yesterday. Somebody was just criticizing on the way we were celebrating baby Maishas in the village.
Yeah.
Saying that we had to go and prepare something good, celebrate for gifts. And not just celebrate on the roadside, on the village roads, and saying, oh, you know, Marwa's a baby boy, I don't know, baby Maisha, come and celebrate. And I was like, what is this guy talking about? Celebration, you see, we don't celebrate while eating.
Yes.
Celebration is a sign of happiness. We are happy.
We are happy.
We are blessed.
Yeah.
And you meet anybody
Maybe
in the road,
maybe baby Maisha is the next president or the next big fish.
we are going to remember that.
Yeah.
And I
Maybe.
said anything that we do
You
now,
guys watch.
we are doing it for our next generation. Now, we are not
exactly.
very selfish to do it for us now. We are doing it for the next generation. And we wish that that generation, we maintain actually the other generation that we're coming after them. And that is continuity.
Yeah, you never know tomorrow. And maybe the people who are talking negative about it, they don't even have kids. You know?
They are talking
So,
negative. They want to eat.
Yeah, but anyway, we will have a big celebration.
Okay, and that is what I was calling for. A very big celebration, a very organized, modern celebration.
Exactly.
And
that is a sign of like positivity and bringing people together. If you want to come, you're welcome.
yes,
But come with a positive
mind.
yeah. Positive mind. Yeah, you are very welcome. So we have plans, but you know, it really takes us time to get a good plan. You know, you don't just jump into conclusion. You know.
That is the problem with us guys in the village. People who think small.
Yes.
They think small. It wants to rain.
Yeah, it's even raining, but we are here. Yeah, guys. So
Guys,
you are invited here.
I would be feeling some cold. You say I
You have a short
my
day.
Yeah,
Yes.
I was from the field.
Yeah, for me, guys, I'm pinned. I don't have a jacket, but I'm pinned. I have like gumboots here, gambu.
Yeah, I'm with
Yes,
my-
very
these
heavy
are my-
shoes.
Yes,
And
my
yeah,
sport shoes.
yeah, I
short.
just left my jacket because we had sun when we were coming.
Yeah.
Yeah, so anyway, guys, you have heard our story. You are going to get more, and we are here. This is where we are going, guys.
You said we
I know, guys. This place is very familiar to you. Yeah, so this is where we are going. Invited, we don't have. You have invitation card.
Hey, guy, I don't want to get crushed.
You don't have invitation card, but anyway, guys, we just go in and see. So I welcome you because me have been here.
Okay.
So we have to go. Yeah, the bucket. Guys, we are in here and it's raining. So we have our sister enjoying here. How are you?
I'm good.
Yes.
Hi guys. Yeah, this is African Tea Travel. And this my house is the first one when you get inside. So everybody who will be passing here,
You must see.
say hi.
Yeah.
How
So
are you?
guys, I'm fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is African Tea, a good friend of mine. Positive vibes as
Focus
always.
on it.
Yeah,
I promise.
exactly. Hey, give me high five. Yes. So, hey, tea. This is new.
This is new.
So you are
This is
enjoying.
new. I'm enjoying. I'm just with the sound of the rain. I'm just like.
Hey, guys, see.
Very amazing.
Oh, you don't know how to use it.
No, not yet. It just, yeah.
Yeah, but it's very nice. How have you been
I've been okay.
since 3 days ago?
I've been good. We are just pushing life.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you have gadgets.
I
Hey,
have
this.
a light.
Yeah,
This is
light.
one of the best gadgets around, huh?
Yeah.
One of the best.
Yeah. Yo, so we are here. The rain. Invite us inside.
Inside the house?
No?
Yeah. Why not?
But it's okay. We are going to
Yeah,
your neighbor here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We have a big party.
Big party. I don't know, but we will
Small
see
party.
from there.
Okay.
Yeah. But you are good.
Celebrating Baby Maisha.
Hey, baby Maisha. Woo, baby Maisha. Yeah, we never know if is going to be the biggest
Yeah.
big fish. Yeah. So thank
Maybe
you.
the next president of Kenya.
Mm.
Yeah.
This is a coincidence.
Mm.
Yeah, we've been talking about that.
Yeah.
Comes up with it.
Yeah. So guys,
Acha
this.
nimalize ushamba hapa bwana. What is this?
This is a light. It makes me look better, especially now
Yeah.
that the clouds are very heavy. We don't have a lot of natural lights.
Yeah.
So this one is needed because you have to record videos.
So this is induced light.
Yeah.
Okay.
I can increase it and reduce it. You see?
Hey,
Whoa. Artificial sunlight.
it's a mini
Artificial
studio.
sunlight.
Yeah,
mini
you
studio.
charge it,
Yes, no, it can be charged, it can use electricity also.
and how for just to inquire, how much does it cost? Because actually I'm used to it and I'm attracted to it.
This one is, I bought it at 6,400.
That's Kenyan shillings,
The Kenyan
6,400.
shillings. Yeah, and it uses electricity. Like now, if the electricity goes off because of the rain, of course it will go off. But it has parts
Solar.
for the video, for the batteries.
Oh, but
Or you can charge them. It's
Yeah,
chargeable.
yeah, I can charge them and just use it when electricity is gone.
wow.
Something, a new technology in town actually. Yeah, you might be the first person having it around.
I think so, but I think the people with the ring one.
Oh, the ring light.
The ring light.
Yeah, yeah.
But this one looks beautiful.
Even me, I will try and get
Like you see,
something.
Look
like
at the
this.
way she's posing that place. And
It's
actually,
nice, eh?
Yeah.
You're
Can I
taking
get
us places.
a photo from there, please?
Yeah, you can.
Maja,
Help me with the Kamanja. Don't spoil the.
I cannot spoil actually.
Yeah. So guys, we can get a picture from here. I really like this, and it has been on my mind. Like we should put there, also there.
You see, these things
Yeah.
we are
So let's try and take.
traditionally they were there during our those traditional days. They were there.
But
Yeah,
in,
they
a,
were
in a more traditional manner.
Yes, because they were made of basket. They were weaved.
Yeah, I've
They
seen
were,
them actually.
yeah, they were weaved.
I think I should make a traditional one. Like
They were weaved. These
use
are
this.
modern. Yes, we used the reeds.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh yeah, kitu yako
So
ina
nice.
si kuoni.
Sour.
Iko sawa,
Yeah.
okay.
Thank you. Yeah, guys, I'm enjoying here.
Hey.
Sorry, I want to pass. There's a lot of light on this side.
Okay.
So that is nice, Maja.
Yeah.
And actually, we were coming here.
Hey.
This is something very surprising we've
Yeah.
seen today.
Hey, imagine.
Yeah, you swing.
I
In Swahili, we call it bembea.
Remember?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah,
Wow.
it's a swing.
Hey. Oh, I'm stepping on
No,
something.
it's okay.
I don't know how to pose, guys, but it's okay.
I think I'm a nice photographer. I try.
Yeah.
I mean,
Hey, thank you.
there's a lot of
Yeah.
them actually. As a lady, we take 1,000 pictures.
Yeah.
Then
And
choose
pick one.
Yes.
Is that your weakness or something?
No, I
One of
think
your
we always
strengths?
just want
the
one
best.
best picture. Yeah.
Maja,
Being
even coming out,
comfortable.
why can't me even test that
Are
place?
you know?
No, me.
Hey, guys.
Should I leave you here?
Yes. You can. But anyway, guys, this is so nice. Yeah, you're really enjoying.
I'm enjoying.
Yeah, you're really
We
enjoying.
thank God for life, you know.
Yes, guys, I don't want to show you the picture. Anyway,
No, show
Anyway.
me the picture. It's nice.
it's nice.
You don't want to show them
I will show them
later.
Instagram. Come on Instagram and
Bwana.
see this.
Even me.
So nice.
Let me ask
Even
for
you.
permission to be there.
Hey, guys, go on Instagram now. Yeah, so thank you so much, T.
Let me go
Yeah.
go and
Eh,
Maja's friend wants to
should
try.
Maja is trying to just tell me.
Slowly.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm too heavy. My good friends, eh? That's what I do, eh? Am I good?
How what's your no? I wanted to ask what's your weight because a friend of mine here was afraid that she's 80 kgs.
No, I have never lived my 72 kgs for the last 6 years.
That means
I know to maintain myself.
Yeah, that's nice.
It's me. Yes, Maja, actually.
Let me help you.
Just give tea to do it. Because I doubt you
Hey
are
guys, you're taking
photographing,
photos from here.
Yes. Doing good. Guys, this is me, Kamanja_Kenya.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the one and only
But I
coach
think
in our village. Yes.
from the video you can also get some very nice pictures also.
Yeah.
Oh,
Both of
yes.
you, yeah.
Oh, wow,
That is it.
very nice.
Eh, wow.
Yeah.
T, thank you so much.
Because
God bless you. Abundant tea.
Because you sleep
I have to
inside.
visit you.
How I wish that I just...
Congratulations to Baby Maisha for joining us in the world.
Yeah, it can be silent.
For joining us. Life is tough.
Yeah.
So be ready to work so hard in future.
Yeah.
One day if you see this.
Yes.
Yeah. So happy birthday.
Happy
Birthday month.
Happy born
Happy born.
day to
Happy
baby
birthday.
Maisha and happy birthday.
No, this is
belated birthday.
Happy born month.
Happy born month.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, guys. So we are here. Yes. Beautiful place. So we have. Where do we start from? Gake, how are you, bro?
Yeah, I'm good. What's up, guys? Welcome back to.
Light. Yeah.
I'm too dark.
And the light. You want the light? Yes.
I want the light. So, what's up, guys? Welcome back to this amazing channel, Maja_Ke YouTube channel. My name is Gake. If you're first time to this and haven't subscribed, kindly please consider by subscribing, liking, and sharing. And thank you, Lord Maja, for posting me to your channel. May God bless you a million times. So, guys, if you're watching this, watch till the end, subscribe, and like the video.
Yeah. So, guys, this is Gake. The one and only Gake.
Gake, guys, go.
Yes. How is Nairobi, bro?
Nairobi was good.
Yeah.
Was fantastic.
Yes.
Was
You
ours.
missed the village. Now you're taking food from the village.
The village.
Organic.
Yeah.
Yeah, and also we have here.
Rubigar. Hello guys, welcome to Maja_K. My name is Rubigar, and guys, today we are here at I am Paris to celebrate Prince Maisha.
Yeah.
Welcome to the world, and we love you so much. So guys, go check me at Rubigar. Subscribe, road to success. Let us stay positive.
Exactly. Yeah, hey guys, we're having this is
This is Quinta.
Quinta.
It's Juice, yeah.
Yeah, introduce yourself, please. She's the one behind these beautiful chapatis. Paris. Yeah.
What about Paris?
No, we are coming.
Hi,
Yes.
beautiful people. I'm called Irene from Pizza. I have a YouTube channel. You can check me out. I'm here serving Maja and other friends of us
Yeah.
food. So I just hope that they're gonna enjoy. Thank you.
So mixologist of juice. So this is the juice of the tech guys from here. We have built. Yeah, this house is so beautiful. Hey, Paris.
Hi, Babs.
Bata. How are you?
Guys, welcome back to
We have also here.
Oh, hello guys, the Maja's family. My name is Alice Africa from East Africa, Kenya, guys. If you're watching me for the first time, please consider by subscribing to my YouTube channel. So today we are here from Paris, home. We are celebrating Malaika. Malaika,
Baby
welcome
Malaika,
to
yeah.
Baby Malaika. Welcome to us.
To our one.
Yeah, to our world, guys. Welcome,
Hello,
welcome.
guys.
And thank you so much.
Yes.
Hey, I've already served here.
Yeah, we have some more guests coming in. Yes. So we have the invitee and I missed you. How are you?
Long time.
Long time. How are you doing?
I'm fine. Where have you
Say
been?
hi.
You have lost.
Life.
You're lost.
Life.
You have reduced. You have become small.
I'm small, guys. Yeah, life.
No, it's not the way I saw you the other time.
Yeah.
Yeah. So hi guys, welcome back to I am Maja. Welcome back to Maja KE's YouTube channel. My name is Batha. Yeah, kindly guys, if you're watching this video, subscribe to Maja KE's YouTube channel. And also, I'm also a content creator. You can go check me out at Batha Africa, and also we have another channel, Muta and Batha. You can go and check us out and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah.
It's been a minute, guys. Go check them out. It's been a minute.
You are lost. I don't know where you go. You went to.
No, you know you have to balance life. Yeah, but anyway, I really missed you, and I'm happy to see you again. And,
The
congratulations.
last time I saw you, I was, I think I was pregnant.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
I just saw you from afar.
Yeah, we just said hi, and they went. I'm planning something is cooking, so don't worry.
Okay.
Don't worry. But congratulations.
Thank you so
God
much.
bless you.
Thank you, and I'm happy to see you.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So we are here. You know, Paris.
Paris decided to do something for us.
Yes, for us, or even in by the way, Argentina, enjoy with us here, Argentina. We are coming soon. Enjoy with us here, Paris. Say hi.
Hi. How are you?
Yeah, we're good here.
Good. Yeah. Who's your plate?
My plate.
Robbie's plate.
Oh, so guys, we're taking here meat.
Yeah, so here we have meat, beef stew, some fried. The way the West African cook it, not the way we cook it. This is the West African style. Chapati definitely, and some jollof rice. Jollof rice.
And then tell us in like lemons English.
It's a West African food. Does it have another?
This is not pilau.
No, this one is not a pilau. It's jollof rice. Yeah, it's a West African food.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
First time to taste West African food. Yeah. Yeah. So Paris.
Yeah. So where's your plate, Maja? I put for you.
Oh,
Paris, you're tired.
thank you.
What? I'm tired. I'm tired, to be honest. I'm so tired. Where's Priska?
Yeah. So guys, people, let me take mine here.
You see?
Hey, don't put many.
That's enough.
You know, if I don't eat at home, my wife will say, "Hey,
You're the wife, Maja.
yes,
Maja, which wife?
where are you doing? You. Don't-
Which wife? Since when?
Hey, you don't know.
Maybe after this we go and meet her.
Hey, it's hot.
Maybe we put two plates.
Yeah,
Yeah.
sorry guys, it's very hot. Yeah, guys, you know. Yeah, but very fantastic. Yeah, so we're going to get. This is fry or nyama choma.
It's fried.
Oh, yeah.
Want chapati?
Chapati, no.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll just take this beef. This is my food here. So, yes. So guys, let's take our late lunch. Is it late lunch or?
We are just eating.
Eating. I don't know if it's lunch. Can you help me here? I don't know if it's lunch or. Yeah, it's very nice, guys. We're enjoying. Yeah, so guys, kindly support our brothers and sisters here, and also support our brother Marwa. And I've always said this, guys, let's be positive, support our brother from this side. We are there, and we will be there, always being positive. We will be always supporting the positive side, always, guys. So yeah, this is how we enjoy the baby Maisha, coming of baby Maisha in this world. Peace and love. Yeah, guys, so we have finished our day today, a very good day, constructive, and we had a lot of encouragement from fellow YouTubers, and we're here, guys, trying to wrap up this day. God is good and very wonderful. So we are trying to finish up. Where is Momo? Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
God bless you abundantly. And guys, I think this will be the end of our video today. I really appreciate you guys for supporting us. Yeah, you can see people are here, guys, ready. Yes. Huh? You nuka nyama. Say hi. Let's come.
Let's come always eat a lot. You know, this is the time that you get food like crazy.
Yeah.
Nyama.
Yes. So guys, we are wrapping up this video from here.
Mwita tupige.
You.
Ita mwita tupige.
Huh?
Enda kwa kamera.
Yeah.
Hii kamera simu ni nzuri. Jamani, kila mtu jamani.
Sasa kamera ni gani?
Zote.
Natafuta wapi?
Unaangalia gani?
Sasa ni gani? The screenshot.
Waje soma hivi. Wewe angalia hivi na takushika.
Yes. Muhammad. How are you? Let's come.
I'm here to see German machine.
German machine. Yeah, guys. Until our next video, peace and love and positive vibes as always. Let me see you on my next video.